So over here you can see that I have this particular layer right here. And let's say for this I need some guides, and to do that I need to enable rulers first. In my case it is already enabled, but in your case if it is not enabled, simply go on to the view menu and then enable the ruler right here. So if I were to click and drag right here, then I immediately get the guides right here, as you can see right here. And these guides are not fixed, meaning I can select them and move them as I like right here from one place to another whenever I want. But let's say you want to go around and fix it out in place. In that case, what you can simply do is you can go around over here onto view and then lock out the guides as well. So once you go ahead and lock it, you cannot move it anymore right here because the guides has been locked right here. So you can go around and unlock the guides as well so that you can move it out again. You can also go around and then add guides right here. And once you go ahead on to add guides, you can go around onto horizontal or vertical values right here. Let's say for example I'm adding it into 7 inches, press OK right here, it adds it on to 7 inches. But let me just go around over here because it didn't actually add in anything because our image is not that big. So let me just go around on to add guide right here. I'm going to go to pixels now, and let's say for example I'm going to add it into 700 pixels right here, and then this is what you have. As you can see, it actually goes around onto 700 pixels right there. So you can go around and then add guides right here. For vertical, let's say for example I'm going to go for 67 right here, just like this, and it adds in a vertical guide in the 67th pixel, just like that. So that is how you can add in guide as well. And if you want to delete out all of the guides as you want, you can simply go around and clear out the guides right here. Apart from that, let's say for example you have a particular shape right here, and let's say you want to add in a guide. In that case, you can go around onto view and then click on guide from layer. Then it takes the measurement of this exact layer right here and adds in guides right there, just like that, as you can see. And that is how you can lock, delete, add guides, and make guides from layers inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.